I thank everybody for coming out. So give yourselves a round of applause. You guys finished the workout. It wasn't too bad. Everyone's like, oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared, man. Awesome. Yay. So just so you guys know, in CrossFit, can you guys turn it down just a little bit more? So in CrossFit, we have an hour, but we go our business, my business partner, and I don't know, she snuck out somewhere, but for coming out. I got people who like drove from Sacramento, who drove from like Reno. People took off of work. So there's people that, and even our teams and our coaches. So we just did a special, if you don't get a paper copy, you'll see your name inside the gym because you guys made it possible for us to even be here in the first place. So if you're curious, we would like to thank our loyal and dedicated members. Our business would not be able to exist or have a purpose without our clients. In addition, so if it wasn't for you guys, we would have shut the door right on March. And he's the man. He comes and he trains for come on, take a picture with us for appreciation of your service and commitment to our fitness community. Michael Livius, aka the Animal Pool Boy.
Let's go home.